What is going on, everybody? This is another Hook Chaser Severe Weather vlog, and we are just south of Lincoln, Nebraska, getting ready to intercept an explosive day. Potentially strong, violent tornadoes are on the table. What are you doing? We're supposed to... I have no idea. I mean, it looks pretty safe to me. I mean, we're going to find out. I don't know. We're in the middle of the woods. I'm just waiting on the storms at this point, so... At this point, it's kind of just all hands on deck, just kind of waiting for things to fire. All right, how's everyone doing? We are now live in Nebraska. We've got multiple tornado warnings exploding here. Less than 30 minutes ago, we had no tornado warnings. We got a mile-wide wedge tornado in central Nebraska, and we are under 2 tornado warnings now. This rotation, look, is that southwest right here. There's a tornado on the ground. It's coming right into town. It's coming right into this town.
They have,
Yes, they got so much stuff up here.
basement?
Yes. Not good, guys. This is what we don't want to see. Yep, right here.
You know, like it's picking up there. We do have some rotation. It's a classic supercell, so I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a tornado here sometime soon as this got closer to Lincoln. But like Andy said,
this is going straight to Lincoln.
The vast majority of the storm's going to go to the west of town for the most part, or Milwaukee.
Crossing freeway, right in front of us, violent tornado. We're good. I know. We're good. Violent tornado on the ground. This is just northeast of Lincoln. Violent tornado just northeast of Lincoln, Nebraska.
Grammy, look!
Violent tornado! Violent tornado on the ground!
Oh my God!
Hello?
Yes, are you here? Can you hear me?
You behind?
I'm behind it!
Yeah.
Violent tornado on the ground just northeast of Lincoln, Nebraska.
Woo!
Just north. Matt, please calm down on the yelling. Please calm down on the yelling. I understand it's beautiful, but it is unfortunate.
Oh my God!
Here, let me pull over right here.
Dangerous, man.
Oh, those winds are strong! I'm about to get out the car. Me and Devin are pulling over right now. Mommy. Oh. Oh. You okay, my mom? Sorry.